Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you an easy way how you could always update or upgrade your Windows 10 version to the newest available version. To do that, you just make sure that you're connected to the internet, you press the Windows sign on your keyboard and you type settings. You press enter, this will open the settings option. Then we will click on updates and security. And under updates and security, you have to click or to make sure that you check for updates. Windows will go through the internet and provides you with the most recent or available updates. And then it will show another section if there is any new version of Windows available. In my case, there is a feature update for Windows 10 version 20H2. So I have it here below. So I can just go ahead and click download and install instead of waiting. If I click download and install, Windows will be downloading and the installation will be done automatically, and then a simple restart will enable this to happen. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, or you are facing any issues, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.